Look how cute they are.
Scaring the shit out of her. Oh, it's so cute.
Holy shit.
Am I good or am I good, dude? I told you.
You are good, man.
I told you. I said, it's a mom turkey by herself. Get him, get him.
Oh, fuck. Catch him, Jen.
You're too good. I'm like arming at it.
Yeah, that's freaking crazy, though.
Let him get away.
Little baby fucking turkey. Awesome.
Let me get a picture of him.
Mama turkey's over there somewhere, pissed off. Somewhere. She actually flew for a little bit, though. Joe, Mr. Wildman, catching fucking baby turkeys. Awesome.